This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Matt Wood. Location: awesome home just a block south of Overton Square. Gourmet kitchen offering gas cooking, granite countertops, tons of cabinets and a Frigidaire Column Refrigerator. Luxury primary bath with double sinks, granite tops and an oversized walk-in shower. Soaring smooth ceilings, LVP flooring, recessed lighting and much more. Property has a secured electric gate. Washer/dryer included. Credit report and rental application approval required. Security deposit equal to 1 month's rent. For more information, review the details below or contact Matt Wood at 901-861-4808.